birds are not real.
And instead, they're like,
right,
no, we're gonna have PJ barking at KD the entire game, but essentially,
I know it is
like vaporized.
A money-making opportunity.
And then, like,
somebody out there
they
has
can
turned it
hide
into a
Harden out
place
on him in the corner.
to sell
and this
T-shirts
thing
and
where they would rather
whatnot.
pass to a fire hydrant.
But the gist of it is basically birds are not
real.
real.
Game to the net.
Birds are
so they just don't
surveillance.
Rebound. I guess I haven't watched the Bucks enough.
Drones,
Did they not
or
do any offensive rebounding? Are they that?
whatever.
They had four today. They give it up because they try to get back on
Government.
defense. When you said Tucker was a zero,
machines, and they're not.
literally he was a zero. He
Yeah.
had 0 points. Listen, there were a lot of
And that's
classes
kind of
from Milwaukee,
where
from
the
from
it's not where the delusion
timeouts.
started. This
When-
is actually
once you have a lead like that,
almost a
you're on the
decade
road,
before
Did
birds are
anyone-
not
they
real.
can get momentum.
When
But
Bud challenged
that's
that
kind of the
Brooklyn
gist
James
of the
Harden foul.
delusion.
Yeah,
is
what-
that
Anybody like
how is
that?
that
yes,
a
I know
challenge?
cats are
That
cats.
guy's gonna be